Hi guys, welcome back. And I got a little more stuff done. So I didn't get the pool open because it was just so much, and I was so overwhelmed with the auto channel and doing this that you see the deer fell in the pool and popped a bunch of holes in the pool. I fixed 3 holes, and the water still kept going down 2 foot. So anyway, what we're doing now is I cut that huge pine tree down. So you're gonna have to look back a couple videos and see that huge pine tree. But I told him to leave the stalk right there, the trunk. I'm gonna cut it down just a little more, but I want that for another project. And all this pine now will never go in the pool again. Look, it's everywhere. It's all over. All these leaves, all this stuff. So we got 2 more big trees to cut down. These two, and then eventually in the future those. But these two gone and that gone, that is going to help so much. All those pine needles was just ridiculous. Like, look at it right now. It's just full of leaf, and they're not even down yet. And all those needles, and then every year. So whoever lives at this property is going to have to deal with this every year, every year, every year. Nope, we cut that out already. So I am going to take my little hand chainsaw. I got a 4-inch chainsaw off of Amazon. It was really cheap, like $40 or something. It might be a 6-inch, six. I don't know. You'll see it on the camera. And I'm gonna cut all the little stalks off, the little branches off of those, and the long ones I'm gonna keep. Uh, um, I will burn some of that next year, but like a piece of pine, I'll do a piece of pine with like 3 pieces of hardwood, so it doesn't creosote up. You can't just run pine, run pine, run pine, or it's got to soften for at least 2 seasons, 2 years, because it's so sappy. It's bad. But I will use some of that, and then some of that is going to be used for fireplace outside. I'm gonna put some of that away for fireplace outside, so we can hang out outside and do stuff. And some of that is going to be fill. So remember behind the pool back there, there's a wall between um, this property, the fence, and the house. So you see the white fence right here. This one, not not this one, not this one, but this one. Okay, so I've been building up that property hump down so that we can get all of those paving stones around as well. So we have to do all that side and put all that in and all of that as well. All right, so I'm giving you the update of what we're doing. Let's get this tree out of here. Got to get a lot of work done. Oh, so into the cost, right? So the cost was 400 for the tree. So I cut 5 trees down, was 2,000, and I kept the tree because it's less and I'm going to use it. So the 400 for that tree, I'm going to take 200 out for the pool and 200 out for me, because I'm going to reap the money back by using it for firewood outside and inside. Actually, I shouldn't even use it for the pool either, because I'm going to get all that money. There's probably at least a half cord over there behind all that, the big wood, you know? I'll take you over there, we'll look at it. All right, I gotta try to hurry up and get this video in before I get all the work done. My neighbor has been blowing leaves all day, and I think that's all he knows how to do is blow leaves. Like, his yard looks like shit, and he blows all the leaves out. I'm leaving all the leaves here. I'm gonna mulch them all down for compost. I don't know what he's doing. So here's the sticks that we got. You just saw me cut one down. Here's some big ones I'm leaving. I'm gonna throw those on top of the pile once I rake all this stuff up tomorrow. All the leaf and like pine needle and stuff. I'm gonna rake all that up tomorrow. And here's some of the big stuff that I picked out, you know, so you can see some of the big logs and all that, whatever. Cut some of them down. And I wanted this just a little bit higher than the fence. It's about 3 feet higher than the fence. I wanted it like a foot higher, so I'm gonna cut that 2 feet down. And I'm gonna do a project with that. So we're gonna see, I'm gonna have all this tree to cut right here. But let me show you why I'm doing this. So remember this little wall? So here's the pool, and then this had all these bricks were all lined up right here, and it was terrible. It was just, they were all over the place. Nothing was straight. So I ripped it all out except for this cement little pad where the ladder goes. So I have to get a ladder and then the pad here. But all that I'm building a wall back here between my place, and I'm using the fence to butt this stuff up. Now, if I was standing against that fence is 6 feet high, and that piece of deck over there is probably 4.5 feet. So you can see I've been filling it up with all the brush, all the little branches. All of this is very sticky with sap. And when I throw all this leaf and all this sticky stuff on top, after one winter, that's all gonna compress down. And then during the summer when the truck is fixed, I'm gonna get just like truckloads of dirt compost for free. Like just the crap that the city gets rid of, all from when they sweep all the leaves. They redistribute that back out as gardening compost. I'm gonna flatten all this with compost, so hopefully I can build this up about 3 foot. And this fence is a piece of crap, and it's almost all broke and it's fallen down. All right, guys, I know I look terrible right now, but I was just doing some yard work, and I walked past my dingy pool that we were building last year, never got done, and I see a turtle in the pool, and I think it's a box turtle. It's not an aquatic turtle. It's like 93 degrees outside, so I know the air is cool for him, everything's good, but I am gonna try to save him, get him out of there. All right, there he is, there's a little turtle right there. See him? See his little head poking up right there. Let's get a little close up. So I got a net, and when he comes up for air, he's coming up for air, and then he goes back down. Comes up for air and he goes back down. I think he's eating the tadpoles. But let's try to save him because he can't get out of the pool. I don't want him to drown. So I'm gonna go try to get him with the net.